So we have to just I'm repeating once into polar forms. First we have to write in r cos theta and ir sin theta form. Okay, then we have to compare. We got r cos theta equal to 2 and r sin theta equal to minus 2. On squaring and adding, we'll get like this. We'll get r cos theta whole square plus r sin theta whole square. Then on the right side, it will be, okay, I'm writing on the square root. It will not be square root. Okay, don't be afraid of. It will be not square root. So it will be 2 square, then minus 2 square. And this will be not under square root. Okay, this will be not under square root. Squaring and adding. So next line we can write it will be r square cos square theta. Okay, and plus r square sine square theta is equal to 2 square is 4 plus 4. Then if you take r square common, I hope this is already you know. If you take r square common, inside we'll get this cos square plus sine square. We'll get cos square plus sine square. Okay, and on the right hand side you will get 8. Then next line, if you take r square will be, sorry, cos square plus this square will be 1 is equal to 8. The next line it will be square root of 8, which is equal to 2 square root of, okay, r value. We always take that r greater than 0, right? So we must mention r greater than 0, because what is r? R is the distance from the origin, right? Okay, then we have to find the this one 1 sorry 1 divided by 2 to get the value, or you can find 2 divided by 1, 2 divided by 1. So what is happening here? We in the equation 1 we will get r sin theta divided by r cos theta. We'll find. Okay, so we'll get number 2 r sin theta divided by r cos theta. So r sin theta value is minus 2, r cos theta value is 2. So it will be numerator 2, denominator minus 2. Okay, so next line you will get r cancel, sin theta divided by cos theta is tan theta, right? And on the right hand side you will get minus 1. Okay, so before proceeding to next, can anyone tell me in which quadrant this um, 2 minus I is lying? In which quadrant the complex number z is lying? we took z equal to this, right? We took z. So let me know in which quadrant it is falling. In which quadrant 2 minus, yeah, yes, fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant tan negative or positive? In fourth quadrant tan negative in positive. You have to write since z lies in fourth quadrant, then fourth quadrant tan negative or positive? Negative, right? Yes, negative. So this value will be, you have to write this one here. It will can be written as minus 1. Instead of minus 1 we can write tan pi by 4. Okay, look, pi by 4 value is, tan pi by 4 value is 1. Okay, and we know tan minus x is equal to minus tan x. So here it will, we will write tan minus pi by 4. Okay, so what is the value of theta? Value of theta will be minus pi by 4. Value of theta is equal to minus pi by 4. Okay, so now if now our work is not done, okay, we have to convert this one in polar form. Okay, it told convert in polar form. So this is actually 4-mark question, okay, not 2-mark question. So we have to write this like this form. Which form? R cos theta plus I r sin theta. In this form you have to write. So the polar form, hence the polar form of z is, we write r is 2 square root of 2. Okay, inside the bracket cos theta, cos what value? Minus pi by 4. Minus pi by 4. Okay, then plus I sine minus pi by 4. Okay, that is our, polar form. That is our polar form. Okay, we have to convert like this. We have to always finish like this. Okay, then question number 3 anyone did? I don't know this what it called, geometry. I don't think you are practicing more and more, because this is so easy question. Anyone did question number 4? Question number 3. Question number 3 is saying a line is passing through 3 comma 2 and minus 2 comma 6. Find the equation of the line which is parallel to this line. So whenever parallel or something, anything given, first we have to find the slope of this line. We have to find the slope of this line. Let me know how to find the slope of this line. A line is passing through 3 comma 2 and minus 2 comma 6. How to find the slope? Let me know anyone. How to find the slope? Uh, if a line is given, a line is passing through this, the slope of this line is equal to, what will be the slope of this line? How to find? Anyone? Any response? How to find the slope of the line? Yeah, 2-point form. Just give me the form name. This form name is 2-point form. How to remember? Whenever 2 point is given, that is 2-point form. Whenever point, 1 point and one slope is given, that is point slope form. Okay, so 2-point form. How to? Y2 minus y1. So y2 is 6 minus 2. What is x2? X2 is minus 2 minus 2. Sorry, minus 3. X2 is minus 2 and x1 is 3. Okay, then it will be 4 divided by minus 5, which is equal to minus 4 by 5. That is the slope. So what is the slope will be if a line is parallel to this line? What will be the slope of that line? Another line is parallel. Let write down the name. A line, let I'm not drawing a diagram. You can draw a diagram. You can write, let line L. I'm naming this one. Okay, line L passing through this one. So another line, say J. Another line J is parallel to line L. So the slope of line J is, what will be the slope of line J? If J and L are parallel, what will be the slope? What will be the slope? If a line is parallel to line L, I hope everyone can see. Yeah, same. Parallel, if line is parallel, this one, you know, but you don't know how to apply. You know everything, but this is the high time you have to wake up and you have to practice more and more. So this line, whenever some line is passing through 2 point, you have to find the slope. Then he's saying that it's parallel to this line. So we got the slope of line J, and what is given? It is passing through another point 6 comma 0. Then what we have to do? We have to use the point slope form. Okay, the line J also pass through also pass through 6 comma 0. Therefore the equation of line J is, we have to use the point slope form, y minus y naught. Okay, y naught is 0 equal to m. M is minus 4 by 5. Then x minus x naught. What is x naught? This. If you simplify this one, if you simplify this one, you will get 5y. You can see y minus 0 is y. So this 5 will multiply here, equal to minus 4x plus 24. If you take everything to the right side, it will be 4x plus 5y minus 24 equal to 0. That is the equation of the line. Okay. Now find the distance between two parallel lines. This is very good question. I'm just adding this part again. Find the distance. So we are having the two parallel lines. Then we have to find the distance between 2 points. For this reason, we have to find the equation of the line L also. Then we can use the direct formula. What formula I gave for distance between two lines? What is the distance between two line formula? Anyone remember? Anyone remember distance between two parallel lines? distance between two parallel line formula, modulus of C minus C1 minus C2, okay, then under root denominator 1 plus m square. M means the what is called slope. So we have to find the equation of line L also. How to find the equation of line L? The equation of line L. Anyone can tell me how to find the equation L line? We'll find the formula is y minus y naught, okay, 2 point form, y minus y naught y1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by y1 minus x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, okay. Or you can use directly, we already got the slope, so you can use the slope intercept form, slope and point form also, point slope form, okay. So I'm using the point slope form, maybe easier. Y minus, I'm taking the 3, y minus this one equal to minus 4 by 5, then x minus 3, okay. If you simplify this one, it will be 5y minus 10 equal to minus 4x plus 12. If you took everything to the right side, it will be 4x plus 5y, then minus 22 equal to 0. So I'm marking this one number 1 and marking this one number 2. So in the first equation L, you can find the equation is 4x plus 5y minus 22, and here 4x plus 5y minus 24, okay. So the distance between line L and J is formula D equal to, I'm repeating again, D equal to square root of 1 plus m square, in numerator it is C1 minus C2, okay. So can anyone let me know what is C1 and C2? We having two equation. First equation is 4x plus 5y minus 22 and 4x plus 5y minus 24. So what is C1 and what is C2? Please let me know. I have to put the values. I'm putting the only the m value now, because m we already got 1 plus minus 4 by 5. Okay, again I'm reminding what I'm looking for. I'm looking for, wait, I'm asking that we having two equations, 4x plus 5y minus 22 and 4x plus 5y plus minus 24. Both are parallel. So let me know what is the value of C1 and C2. What is the value of C1, C2? Let me know. No. Yes. Correct. Nadia is correct. It is minus 22 and minus 24, because it is okay. Yeah. So because it is comparing with ax plus by minus plus c. If you remember after the class we can check. If you remember the form value, this is ax plus by plus c. Okay, first equation was a1x plus b1y plus c1, and secondly is a2x b2y plus c2. Okay, so c1 and c2, difference between c1 and c2, so plus c1, so it will be inside the modulus minus 22 minus minus 24. Okay, if you simplify this one, sorry, if you simplify, it will be denominator, it will be minus 22 plus 24. Okay, then denominator will be 1 plus minus 4 square, that is 16 by 25. Then if you numerator, it will be modulus of 2. Denominator will be square root of 1 plus this will be 41 divided by 25. Okay, if you simplify more, you will get under root square root of 41. Numerator will be 2 multiplied by 5. So if you simplify this one, it will be 10 by square root of 41. Okay, and if you more simplify, it will be 10 square root of 41 divided by 41. What I did, um, I just rationalized this one, okay, for the things. So, but remember this one, C1 and C2, you have to take it carefully. Okay, then next question. So yeah, all don't forget this one. It will be units because this is the distance, right? So don't forget to write the unit sign. Okay, then next question. Next question, I think everyone did. So what is the this one? Anyone can answer me this one in the chat box. In the Venn diagram, what is showing? This is which figure is this? What is showing in the? You just write down what in the Venn diagram. What is showing? I'm doing the one problem. You just answer me in the question number 4. In the Venn diagram, the shade is showing what? A minus B. Yeah, A minus B also correct. Everyone got this, A minus B. Anything else? Can I write this one? Is mine is correct. A union B minus B. Is it correct? Whatever I'm writing, is it correct? Yes, this is also correct. Yeah, a minus b also correct. Okay, I'm not saying that a minus b, a minus b. Okay, or many other thing you can do, like because this question will not never come. Okay, this question will come like with option. So you have to see which option is correct, or maybe maybe for some time all option may be correct, or it can be written as like this also, a plus mm, yeah, it can be written as a minus a intersection b, right? This green color one, we can write a from a, if we divide, if we subtract the intersection b, this will be this. Okay, so you have to be careful. This question is very important for the MCQ type question. Now then we'll second last, I mean question number 5 to from your book, but still I will give you the solution. This is from your book. Okay, you can see the solution by after the class. I don't know how many of you can do. How many of you solve question number 5? Let me know. How many of you solve question number 5 in the class? Okay, anyone did? No, none of you. Okay, fine. So this one is you can see the solution. I already explained also. So previous, you can see the previous video also. Okay, if any doubt regarding, you can ask me later. So last question. This is also not from the book. I hope you did. This is so easy. Tan a plus b value. So tan a plus b. You just you have to put the formula. Okay, if you have to put in the formula, tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. So after putting this, you can find by yourself. Okay, this is also done do by yourself. I hope many of you did. So for today's class,